Good Wednesday morning. Yeah, let's talk a little business because there's no question running a business comes with its fair share of costs. Now, while many businesses are challenged to find ways to save on expenses wherever possible, passing on business insurance, it shouldn't be one of them. Here to tell us more is Steve Lauren, Vice President at TD Insurance. We welcome back to Breakfast Television into the new studio. Good to see you, Steve.
Good to see you, Tim.
Okay, so that's the thing. That's the big question. So many businesses running on tight budgets these days, they might, when choosing to maybe we don't need the business insurance. Why is that a bad idea?
Yeah, you're right. Like a lot of businesses are running on a tight budget today, and it could be tempting to forego or not have the appropriate coverage, save some costs. But in a recent survey that we did, 30% of small business owners stated that they didn't require insurance because they didn't have any employees. But situations can arise where you have a financial loss, whether you have employees or not in your business, and having the appropriate insurance could help mitigate those losses.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
In the same survey, 1 in 5 small business owners said that business interruption would be their biggest liability and risk. And we all know unexpected could happen. Say your business is interrupted because you have a fire. And the financial losses that you'd incur during that period of time could far outweigh any of the money that you might save by not having the right insurance.
Every business is unique. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not one size fits all. You probably experienced this in your 24 years with TD. So what kind of business insurance coverages are out there to make sure it kind of factors in everything?
Yeah, definitely unique. There's over 2 million small businesses in Canada, varying size and industry, so not one size fits all. So we offer commercial property liability, commercial general liability, and commercial auto insurance for various businesses. The best thing you can do to figure out the specific needs of your business, because every business is different, is reach out and have a conversation with a licensed advisor.
Yeah, because sometimes when you're running a business, you're so focused on the business itself. You know what I mean? And having sales and profits and just making your way through that. But what are some key things you should keep in mind kind of when managing their business?
Yeah, so to start with, review your policy. Yeah. Your business changes, so do your needs. And if you have any questions about your policy or as your business changes, reach out and have that conversation with an advisor. It'd be very helpful. I think foster workplace safety. This is a big thing to do. Run safety inspections in your business, have a security system. And if you have any safety gear, fire extinguishers or first aid kits, have them readily accessible. Doing these sort of measures can mitigate against potential accidents and future claims. Another good one is keep really good financial records. Just good business practice in general. But let's say you have a claim. Having the right documentation about your business assets, your financial transactions and expenses go a long way to speed up your claims process and ensure you get a good payout. And lastly, really important, try to bundle your insurance. So if you have a commercial property liability and commercial auto, have that with the same provider, and you might be able to benefit from some discounts.
What are some factors that, I guess, may impact business insurance premiums?
Well, there's a lot, as you can imagine. Yeah. But I think understanding which factors can help you manage your expenses overall. Some of the key factors that are out there are the industry or nature of your business. What do you do? Your revenue, your location of your business, previous claims experience, and your coverage limits and deductibles that you have on your policies.
Okay. We mentioned off the top, businesses are tight on budgets. What are some ways that they can maybe save on business insurance?
Yeah, so we recommend reaching out and have a conversation with one of our licensed advisors. They'll provide you with a quote that's specific to your business needs. And then one of the great things that you can do, if you bundle your commercial property liability insurance with a combination of the following, you can save up to 20%. So bundle your commercial property liability with your commercial auto. If you are an eligible member of one of the alumni or professional groups that we have, and if you're an existing TD customer.
Yeah. You probably look forward to these conversations. I'm sure you have had hundreds of them over your years. There.
Yeah, I do, for sure.
Okay, where can people get more info?
Go to tdinsurance.com/small business.
And then it just starts with that first conversation.
Starts there and then have a conversation.
Awesome, good stuff. Steve Lauren, VP from TD Insurance. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thanks so much.
Let's get over to Rick over in the Nook. Hey, Rick.
Hey,